guys. Couldn't resist throwing some of my stuff into my computer. Back panel's kind of cool, eh? There'll be a video capture card in there. The next step I gotta get. That'd be good. Kind of neat. Let's open this guy up. One thing I've noticed is my video camera really sucks. Oh well. Here's my Asus board. Sitting in there, all happy as can be. My 24 gigs of RAM. Wow, this camera really fucking sucks, man. It's getting all blurry and fuzzy and shit. Huh, well. My Zotacs stuck down in here, all bridged together. Still no hard drives. Still need a power supply. Got a big hole in the back. Still no chip. So I'll put a 6-core Pentium in here. That's kind of my plan. Still no burners. I put my dead plate back in. I'm only run 2 of them. Dead plate here. And I was an idiot in the last video. The one rocket fish card reader. Why the fuck isn't this focusing? Okay, if anybody has a suggestion for a new vidcam, please let me know. Anyway, that rocket fish, yeah, I was a jackass. It is USB. But it's only half USB. Now she plugs in down there. On the Q connector for the Asus board. Anyway, I got it working. Or at least plugged in. I don't know if it works yet. Yeah. So, I'm pretty much waiting for some cash to fill that big hole there. This hole's there. These guys here. But there we go. There's my, the fuck is it again? P6X58D Asus board. I actually can't wait to see this frickin' video. This is from my frickin' LCD screen on this thing. It looks like it's fuzzy as shit. All blurry and shit, man. Yeah, don't buy an HP freaking digital cam because they fucking suck. Anyway, doing some channel fixing today. There's my other HP. Old school, old media center computer. My hard drive's crashed on it, so I lost my drivers for the video capture card. It's got a built-in video capture card. It's really pretty cool, actually. I'll crack this thing open here. Kind of a cool little card stuck down there. You can video capture from the back, as well as it's got inputs, coaxial, and RCAs. Also has S-video. Fuck is that fuzzy? This camera sucks, man. Anyway, I lost mine when my computer crashed. I was able to reboot it. Put a whole different operating system in it. I lost my drivers for the fucking video capture card. Fan's cooking along on her. So if anybody has a fucking clue, it's well, this camera sucks. Wow, it's really fuzzy. What the hell? Okay, this camera fucking sucks, man. It's fuzzy and shit. You know what? I'm sitting freaking right beside the damn thing. Oh, well. Anyway, there's my bitching and complaining for today. Yep. See how long you guys freaking wait. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh, camera now. Need a good old bitch slap. Oh, yeah. That motherfucker back there. Shit. All kinds of shit going on here. So, anyway. That's it. The bowl, I think. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, what the hell? Let's keep it going. If you get bored as hell, you just freaking turn the video off anyway, right? What the fuck? So yeah. Yep. That's it. Bye-bye.